Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to disable auto start stop on any modern BMW. On some cars you can turn off auto start stop temporarily by pressing this button, but it will turn back on the nenext time you drive. To truly disable the auto start stop function, all you need is a BimmerLink app compatible OBD2 adapter. This is the V-Gate V-Linker BM Plus, which costs about $40. I'll have a link in the description. All you have to do is plug this into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually under the dash on the driver's side, and then you're ready to go. Next, download the BimmerCode app on your iPhone or Android and follow the on-screen prompts in the app to connect your OBD2 adapter. Then you can select your vehicle model from the drop-down list and wait a few moments for the OBD2 adapter to read all the control units on your car. If this takes more than a few moments, make sure your BimmerCode app is fully up to date. Once you reach this screen, select Engine Control Unit. It will take a few seconds for your phone to read the coding data from the control unit. The top option, Auto Start Stop Memory function, is what I recommend if your car has an Auto Start Stop button. If you set this to active, your car will remember the last auto start stop setting, so if you turn it off, it will stay off the next time you drive your car unless you turn it back on manually. If your car does not have an auto start stop button like some newer BMWs, you can go to the second option, Auto Start Stop function. If you set this to not active, then the auto start stop function will be disabled. Double check that the settings are what you want, then hit that code button in the upper right hand corner. Hit start coding and then it will take a few moments while the OBD2 adapter communicates with your car. Your car's onboard computer may restart during the coding process. This is completely normal, and since you're not making any permanent changes to your car, this method of turning off the auto start stop function is safe and does not void your warranty. After coding has finished, you will then get a pop-up informing you that coding is successful. You can then close the app and unplug the OBD2 adapter. Now I can press this button to turn off auto start stop, and it will stay off the next time I drive my car. I hope y'all found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. I'll have a link to buy this OBD2 adapter in the description, and I'll see you all next time.